Welcome to Holistic Wellness 24/7. In today's video, discover 10 ways to achieve supreme tranquility with these easy-to-adopt habits and enrich your daily life. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to improve your well-being, step by step. So let's get started on your journey to better health. If you're anything like me, you're looking for a little more peace in this crazy, chaotic world. We're constantly bombarded with information, notifications, and demands on our time. It's easy to feel overwhelmed, stressed, and disconnected from the things that truly matter. Join me as I take on the challenge of incorporating simple daily habits to find lasting tranquility. Can I really transform my life in just 1 week? In a world where chaos feels constant, I'll share 10 powerful Stoic-inspired habits that can help you achieve supreme inner calm. Are you ready to slow down, take control, and find peace? Let's dive in. The way we begin our day sets the tone for everything that follows. Imagine waking up, not to the jarring sound of an alarm clock, but to a few moments of quiet contemplation. Find a quiet corner in your home, a place where you can connect with yourself before the world demands your attention. Keep a journal by your side. Begin by closing your eyes and taking a few deep breaths. Feel the air fill your lungs, hold it for a moment, and as you exhale, visualize releasing any tension or stress. Now, open your eyes and ask yourself, what is my mantra for calm today? Your mantra could be a simple affirmation like, I choose peace today. Write this mantra down in your journal. As you write, visualize yourself moving through the day with this mantra as your guiding light. Remember, tranquility is not something you find, it's something you create moment by moment, starting with the first moments of your day. Now, this might sound counterintuitive, right? Why would we invite negativity into our thoughts when we're trying to cultivate calm? The Stoics had a powerful technique called negative visualization. It's about understanding that obstacles are not roadblocks, but detours on the path to tranquility. Imagine for a moment a situation that typically triggers stress or anxiety for you. It could be a difficult conversation, a looming deadline, or a fear you've been grappling with. Visualize the situation unfolding and see yourself navigating it with grace and composure. Imagine yourself taking deep breaths, responding with thoughtful words, and maintaining your inner peace despite the external chaos. This practice isn't about manifesting negativity, it's about mentally rehearsing your desired response to challenging situations. Think of it like a fire drill. We don't practice fire drills because we expect a fire, but because if a fire were to occur, we know exactly what to do. Similarly, negative visualization prepares us to face challenges with a sense of preparedness and composure. By practicing negative visualization, we equip ourselves with the mental resilience to navigate these challenges without sacrificing our inner peace. Our minds and bodies are capable of incredible resilience, but we often shy away from discomfort. We seek comfort in routine, in familiarity, in the easy path. But what if I told you that true strength, true tranquility, is found by stepping outside of our comfort zones? This is where the power of voluntary discomfort comes in. It's about intentionally choosing discomfort in small doses to build resilience and mental fortitude. Think about it. When was the last time you intentionally chose discomfort? Maybe it was pushing yourself to exercise a little longer or choosing to have a difficult conversation you'd been avoiding. One simple way to practice voluntary discomfort is with a cold shower. Starting your day with a cold shower, even for a minute, sends a powerful message to your mind and body that you are capable of handling discomfort. It's a practice in discipline, in willpower, and it has amazing physiological benefits as well. But voluntary discomfort goes beyond physical challenges. It's about pushing ourselves mentally and emotionally as well. Embrace the discomfort, challenge yourself, and watch as you emerge stronger and more at peace than ever before. In the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, it's easy to get caught up in the pursuit of what's next, always striving for something more, but true tranquility lies in appreciating the beauty of the present moment, in cultivating a heart filled with gratitude. Gratitude isn't about ignoring the challenges or striving for some picture-perfect life. It's about shifting our focus to the abundance of blessings that already surround us. Think about it. How often do you pause throughout your day to simply appreciate the small wonders that make life so extraordinary? The warmth of the sun on your skin, the taste of your favorite meal, the sound of laughter shared with loved ones. One powerful way to cultivate gratitude is to incorporate mindful pauses into your day. Before you savor your morning coffee, take a moment to appreciate the aroma, the warmth of the mug in your hands, the simple act of taking that first sip. In the evening, before you drift off to sleep, take a few moments to reflect on the day gone by. Remember, gratitude is a muscle that needs to be exercised. As the day draws to a close and the world around you begins to quiet down, take some time for yourself, a moment of reflection to process the day gone by. This is where the power of evening journaling comes in. It's not about keeping a perfectly detailed record of your day. It's about creating a space for introspection, for self-awareness, and for growth. Find a quiet corner where you can unwind. Light a candle, put on some calming music, and let go of the day's worries. Open your journal and begin by simply breathing. Inhale slowly and deeply, feeling the tension release from your body. As you exhale, let go of any thoughts, worries, or to-do lists that are clouding your mind. Make evening journaling a ritual, a time for introspection, and watch as self-awareness paves the path towards lasting tranquility. We live in a world obsessed with control. We try to control outcomes, other people's actions, even the weather. But the truth is, so much of life is beyond our direct control. The Stoics taught that the key to tranquility lies in recognizing this fundamental truth and choosing to focus our energy on what we can control, our thoughts, our actions, and our responses to the world around us. Think about it. How often do you find yourself worrying about things you have absolutely no power over? Maybe it's the traffic on your way to work, a delayed flight, or something someone else said or did. These worries, while understandable, steal our peace and prevent us from experiencing the joy of the present moment. The next time you feel stress or anxiety creeping in, pause and ask yourself this simple yet powerful question. Is this within my control? If the answer is no, then release it. Let go of the need to control the uncontrollable. Focus your energy instead on what you can control. True tranquility is found not in controlling the world around us, but in mastering ourselves. In today's hyper-connected world, it's easy to feel tethered to our devices, constantly bombarded with notifications, news updates, and the lives of others. While technology has its benefits, it's essential to carve out time for digital detox, for disconnecting from the digital world to reconnect with ourselves and find tranquility in the stillness. Think about it. How often do you find yourself mindlessly scrolling through social media, comparing your life to others, or feeling overwhelmed by the constant influx of information? Challenge yourself to incorporate a daily digital detox into your routine. Start small. Maybe it's turning off your phone for 30 minutes before bed, silencing notifications during meals, or designating certain areas of your home as technology-free zones. During your digital detox, engage in activities that nourish your soul. Read a book, take a walk in nature, meditate, spend time with loved ones, or simply sit in silence and embrace the present moment. Remember, a digital detox is not about demonizing technology, it's about creating a healthy relationship with it. We live in a society that constantly bombards us with messages of more. More possessions, more experiences, more status. The relentless pursuit of more can leave us feeling empty, dissatisfied, and perpetually yearning for the next thing. The Stoics believed that true tranquility lies in freeing ourselves from the chains of unnecessary desires, in finding contentment with what we have, and in appreciating the simplicity of a life lived intentionally. Think about it. How often do you make purchases impulsively, driven by fleeting desires or the need to keep up with the latest trends? Before you buy something new, chase after a desire or allow yourself to get caught up in the pursuit of more. Pause and ask yourself this simple yet powerful question: do I truly need this? Challenge yourself to differentiate between your needs and your wants. Simplify your life, choose experiences over possessions, and cultivate a heart filled with gratitude for the abundance that surrounds you. Breath is life. It's the bridge between our physical and mental states, and it holds the power to calm our minds, ease our anxieties, and bring us back to the present moment. Mindful breathing, a practice found in various ancient traditions, is about bringing our awareness to our breath, noticing the sensation of each inhale and exhale, and using it as an anchor to still the fluctuations of our minds. Think about it. When was the last time you truly paid attention to your breath? In the midst of our busy lives, our breath often becomes shallow, rushed, a mere unconscious function. But when we consciously choose to slow down and connect with our breath, we tap into a powerful tool for cultivating inner peace. Find a comfortable seated position, either on a cushion or in a chair with your feet flat on the floor. Close your eyes and begin by noticing the natural rhythm of your breath. Don't try to change it, simply observe the rise and fall of your chest, the gentle expansion of your belly with each inhale and the release with each exhale. As you become aware of your breath, begin to deepen and lengthen each inhale and exhale. Inhale slowly and deeply through your nose, feeling your lungs expand with life-giving oxygen. Hold the breath for a moment and then exhale slowly and completely through your nose, releasing any tension or stress. In the pursuit of tranquility, it's easy to get caught up in our own inner world, focusing solely on our thoughts, emotions, and personal growth. But true tranquility extends beyond ourselves. It's about aligning our actions with our values, living with integrity, and contributing to the well-being of the world around us. Think about it. How do your actions reflect your values? Are you kind, compassionate, and understanding in your interactions with others? The Stoics believe that living a virtuous life is not about achieving some grand heroic feat. It's about making conscious choices in our everyday lives that align with our values and contribute to the greater good. Start by identifying your core values. What matters most to you? Is it honesty, integrity, compassion, or kindness? By consciously choosing to act with virtue and purpose, we not only cultivate inner peace, but also create a ripple effect of positivity that extends outwards, influencing the world around us. Tranquility isn't a far-off dream, it's within your reach. Start small, try just one habit from today's video. Whether it's morning reflection or mindful breathing, you'll feel the shift. And remember, consistency is the key. The more you practice these Stoic-inspired habits, the more natural they'll become, and the more peace you'll experience in your daily life. You have the power to create a life of supreme tranquility starting today. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to view more content. In addition, check out my daily community posts on ways to embrace holistic wellness in all aspects of your daily living.